Good day, kids! Welcome to our new normal classroom. I am your virtual teacher and I'm here to teach you math. So before we start, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. So para sa araw na to, ang pag-aaralan natin ay changing fractions to its lowest term. How do we know if the fraction is in its lowest term? Okay, mag-definition muna tayo. A fraction is in its lowest term when the greatest common factor or the GCF of the numerator and denominator is 1. Halimbawa, 1/3. Okay, ano nga ba ulit yung factors ni 1? So, ang factors ni 1 is 1 times 1. Pag sinulat natin, 1 lang siya. Then 3, ang factors ni 3 ay 1 times 3. So, sulat natin 1, 3. So, our greatest common factor is 1. So, therefore, 1/3 is in its lowest term. Sa panghalimbawa, 4/5. Ano kaya yung mga factors ni 4? So, we have 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. So, list natin 1, 2, and 4. Ano naman ang mga factors ni 5? We have 1 times 5. So, ilista ulit natin 1, 5. So, ang GCF natin, ang greatest common factor natin ay 1. So, therefore, 4/5 is in its lowest term. Sa panghalimbawa, 2, 6. Ano nga ba yung mga factors ni 2? So, 1 times 2. So, pag nilista natin, 1, 2. 6. Anong factors ni 6? We have 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. So, pag nilista natin, we have 1, 2, 3, and 6. So, our GCF, ang greatest common factor natin is 2. Since si 2 ang GCF ni 26, ibig sabihin si 26 ay wala pa sa kanyang lowest term. Sa panghalimbawa, we have 3/9. So, ano yung factors ni 3? So, we have 3 times 1. So, pag nilista natin, we have 3 and 1. 9. 1 times 9 and 3 times 3. Lista natin. So, we have 1, 3, and 9. Anong common factor natin? We have 1 and 3. Anong GCF natin? Anong pinakamalaking factors niya? 3 niya ay 3. Activity. Put a check if the following fraction is in its lowest term and cross out if not. Okay, these are the given fractions. Lagyan natin ng check kung nasa lowest term na sila at X naman kung hindi. Okay, let us see if the following fraction is in its lowest term. 7 all over 21. So, this is not in its lowest term. Bakit kaya? Kasi, ang GCF nila ay 7. Next, 3, 6. Hindi din. Bakit kaya hindi? Dahil ang GCF nila ay 3. 8 all over 15. Check, nasa lowest term siya. 11 over 26. Check din, nasa lowest term din siya. 1 over 12. Check, kasi nasa lowest term. 3 all over 15. Hindi. Bakit kaya? Dahil ang GCF nila ay 3. 12 all over 42. Cross out. Bakit greatest common factor nila ay 6? 2/10. Hindi din. Bakit kaya? Dahil ang GCF nila ay 2. How do we reduce fraction to its lowest term? To reduce a fraction to its lowest terms, divide the numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. Okay, halimbawa, Nell is helping Edward clean the backyard. They spend 2 hours doing this every Saturday morning. What part of the day do they spend cleaning the backyard? Express your answer in lowest term. So, paano nga ba natin siya i-express sa fraction? So, sabi, 2 hours daw sila nag-i-spend para maglinis ng kanilang backyard. All over, kung ilang oras meron sa isang araw. So, meron tayong 24 hours. We'll express this into lowest term. So, let us first find the greatest common factor of 2 and 24. So, 2, ang factors ni 2 ay 1 times 2. 24, ang factors ni 24 ay 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 6 times 4. Okay, let us list the factors of 2. We have 1, 2, 24. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Now, let us find the common factors. The common factors are 1 and 2, and our GCF are 2. So, ibig sabihin, i-divide natin yung fraction natin kay 2 since yun ang ating GCF. Now, let's divide. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So, 2 all over 24. Kapag in-express natin siya sa lowest term, our answer is 1 all over 12. Another example, we have 15 all over 20. So, kunin muna natin yung GCF ni 15 and 20. So, 15, the factors of 15 are 1 times 15 and 3 times 5. Samantalang si 20 naman, the factors of 20 are 1 times 20, 2 times 10, and 4 times 5. Ngayon, ilista natin lahat ng factors ni 15. So, we have 1, 3, 5, and 15. 20, we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Anong common factor nila? Ang common factor nila is 1 and 5. So, our greatest common factor is 5. So, ibig sabihin, we will divide 15 and 20 kay 5. So, 15 divided by 5 is 3. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So, 15 over 20, kapag ni-reduce natin sa lowest term, we will have 3/4. Another example, we have 20 all over 36. So, dun muna tayo sa factors ni 20. We have 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5. So, okay, 36. Factors are 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, and 6 times 6. Now, let us list all of the factors of 20. We have 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. 36, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. So, anong common sa kanila? We have 1, 2, 4, and our GCF is equal to 4. So, ibig sabihin, i-divide natin si 20 saka si 36 kay 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 36 divided by 4 is 9. So, the lowest term of 20 all over 36 is 5/9. Another example, we have 10 all over 20. So, 10, factors ni 10 is 1 times 10 and 2 times 5. Samantalang si 20 naman, ang factors ni 20 is 1 times 20, 2 times 10, and 5 times 4. Now, let us list all of the factors of 10. We have 1, 2, 5, and 10. 20, we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Ngayon, ang common factor natin is 1, 2, 5, and 10. So, our GCF is 10. So, ibig sabihin, we will divide 10 all over 20 to 10. So, 10 divided by 10 is 1. 20 divided by 10 is 2. So for our activity, reduce the following fractions. So for our activity, reduce the following fractions to its lowest term. For our activity, reduce the following fractions to its lowest term. So, una, we have 2/4. Kanino kaya natin pwedeng i-divide si 2/4? Okay, we can divide it by 2. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, 2/4, ang lowest term ni 2/4 is 1/2. How about 18 all over 20? The GCF of 18 all over 20 is 2. So, i-divide natin sila kay 2 all over 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So, the lowest term of 18 all over 20 is 9/10. Next, 3 all over 30. Okay, their GCF is 3. So, we can divide them by 3 all over 3. So, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 30 divided by 3 is 10. So, ang lowest term ni 3 all over 30 is 1 all over 10. Next, 35 all over 40. So, their GCF is 5. So, divided by 5 all over 5. 35 divided by 5 is 7. All over 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. So, their lowest term is 7/8. Next, 4 all over 36. Okay, their GCF is 4. So, we will divide them by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 36 divided by 4 is 9. So, their lowest term is 1/9. Next, 44 all over 48. So, their GCF is 4. So, we will divide them by 4. 44 divided by 4 is equal to 11. All over 48 divided by 4 is equal to 12. So, the lowest term of 44 all over 48 is 11 all over 12. So, remember, a fraction is in its lowest terms when the greatest common factor or the GCF of the numerator and denominator is 1. Reduce a fraction to its lowest terms, divide the numerator and the denominator by the greatest common factor. Thank you for listening. I am your virtual teacher. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye!